Y tyngor yn y ward alaw. Yn daffu bod efo un o'r patients.
Dwi'n gweithio mewn healthcare worker yn Ysbyty Gwynedd.
I'm doing portering to get patients on time to their x-rays or CTs.
I was in sterile services and I was in charge of packing sets, so any surgical equipment for the theatre and things, I'd pack them up.
Dwi'n neud fy interniaeth mewn moelwyn ward yn Ysbyty Gwynedd.
Cleaning the admin box.
Surgical admin in the hospital, helping out with the doctors and talking with them on the phone and sorting out rotas.
Doing ward support, it's like healthcare. I make teas and coffees with patients, I go around and see if they're okay, take them to x-rays, I give them out lunches, I clean the tables and take them down to theatre.
Dwi'n gweithio mewn Cadwaladr yn Ysbyty Gwynedd. Dwi'n gwneud bwyd i'r patients, ond y bore pan dod yna dwi'n gwneud panad i pob. Dwi'n amser cinio dwi'n chymau byrfan o.
Dwi'n gwneud panad a mynd cinio rownd a helpu efo patients. Llnau gwely, llnau gadeiriau, llai bwr neu pillow covers.
It'll give me the skills that I'm going to need to work in a hospital, like how to properly help the patients.
Dwi'n liw yn dreifo, dwi'n liw yn dreifo da. So dwi'n gobeithio ar ôl smai byddwn nesa fan, so dwi'n cael job allan ohono fo da.
They'll come out with me and make sure I'm okay at the beginning, coming around with me, and then after a while they come up and check on you, ask you questions of what you're doing to make sure you understand.
Really good. It's really good. I love it at the moment. Different skills like talking on the phone and stuff, and it's helped me conquer my fear and get my confidence up.
It's good, really good. Good support to help me and everything, and down here they help me as well. Wyn checks on me if I'm doing okay.
Dwi yn enjoyo gweithio efo cleifion. Dwi'n newid lot. O blaen o'n i shei a dyn rhan dwi ddim shei. Yn y gweithio o'n i ffilmio canteen yn Symbolo. O'n i'n gwneud pres i prynu pethau yn yr lle wards.
But making me build up my self-confidence.
I liked college, but then I wanted to move on to something new and push myself to go try and get a job. It's going to help me a long way to get to where I want to.